Hello, hello. It is time for the drawing of our Boo Box and our Vogue t-shirt. So the easiest thing that I thought to do was to take all the names and I screenshot them from Facebook and YouTube. So I thought that this was the easiest way, and as you can see, what I did was I made sure that I had I was booed, so if those that did not say I was booed, they weren't able to participate. So I'm going to put all these names into the Frankie box, and we're going to mix them up so that everyone sees it was fair and square. These are all individual names from YouTube and Facebook, okay? So you can see the little initial there is who they were. And I just want to quickly do this so that it's fair to everyone. And again, you had to subscribe, like my business page, which so many of you already are, just Patty. So many of you are. So I just wanted to show you that they're all individual, okay? They're all different names. And I don't want to hold everybody up, so I'm trying to do this fast because I'm sure you all want to know who the winner is. Okay? I just cut up little strips and I made sure they said, I want to be booed. So I'll randomly just show you some names here. Okay? As we go along. Just so you see, they all say, I want to be booed. I was trying to figure out how to do it, and I had them all folded. And I thought, you know what, I should do a video and let everyone see that I fairly cut the names and folded them up. Here's Karen. Don't want anyone to feel left out or that I didn't do this the right way. I'd like one of those apps that does it for you. They shake them all up. And, okay, so they're mixed up between YouTube and Facebook. Okay, there's D. And we'll shake Frankie up and we'll see. See, I just want you all to see that all of them are different. All the little initials are different and their faces on the Facebook one. Here's Dolores. Oops. This one was Phyllis. Angela, Donna. Which one's this? This is Matthew and Courtney from YouTube. I can tell the difference because on the bottom of Facebook they don't have like the little message box and the heart, and the ones from Facebook are a little bit different. Angela, who is this? Trisha Turner, I know she's from YouTube. Who is this? Rita Kelly Carr, she's from Facebook, I believe. Sandra Buckley, she follows me on both YouTube. And if you did follow me both on YouTube and this is Melody, you got 2 chances to win. Val. Okay, so this will be short and sweet. Debbie Lewis and Willie Allen. Okay. So we have all the names in here. I'd say there's about 100. Thank goodness there wasn't more. This would have taken me forever. Let me just see if this is a scrap piece of paper. Yeah, there's nothing on here. Okay? All right. So the first drawing is going to be for our Boo Box. So that's the first one. And I just want to show all of you, all the little contents is already in there. A bunch of little goodies. So this is for our Boo Box, and I just wanted to tell all of you that I decided when I do my videos, I'm going to announce drawings inside, so those that actually watch me will actually have a chance to win as well in case they miss the video, and sometimes I maybe give like a week so that everybody can join in, and this way more people will be able to participate. The only reason I did this quickly is because Halloween is right around the corner. So we're shaking up all those names from Facebook and YouTube, and some of you are new, so I don't even know some of the names on here. Some of you I do because I read and I try to comment on everybody. I like to know everybody. Okay, so we're tossing them around, and let's see. The first winner of our Boo Box is Designs by Dawn. Designs by Dawn. And to make it fair, I want to say that, oh my goodness, Sandy, they are so cute. I want to be booed. I just want everyone to see that she followed the rules. So Designs by Dawn won the boo box. Okay? So she won the boo box, and I will reach out to her, but if she sees the video before I reach out to her, please, or she's got to like respond to me on YouTube so that I can mail this out to her. And the next drawing is going to be for the t-shirt. The t-shirt is unisex size, which means it's one size larger than a woman. So if you wear a large, you would order a medium. If you like it a little big, then you would order a large, and it will be like an extra large. Just so you know, they're one size bigger. So, let's shake, shake, shake. And the winner of the Vogue t-shirt is Trisha Turner. Trisha Turner. She is also from YouTube, because I can tell by the little heart box here and the little thumbs up. She might come on Facebook once in a while, I'm not sure. But Trisha Turner won the Vogue t-shirt. So I will reach out to them. You did have 2 chances again to win. So if you were on YouTube, you had a chance. And if you were on Facebook, you had a chance. So these are our 2 winners, Trisha and Dawn. So thank you everyone who participated. And you all can join in anytime you want. And maybe you will be the next winner. So I will get these out right away to those of you. And thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate all of you. And I do have a lot of stuff that I'm going to be giving away. Some Dollar Tree hauls as well. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. And come to my Facebook page and just see what's happening. Because there's going to be a lot happening over the holidays. Thank you now. Bye.